Hello, everybody. This is Jenny here showing you the Down Syndrome Indiana website. Betsy couldn't be with me today to do this, so we're just going to do it on our own. So just wanted to walk you through the parts of the website here. All of these little tabs show you some cool stuff that they have available on the website. The first one is called the Buddy Walk. And they have 3 of those a year in Indianapolis and Lafayette and Terre Haute. They also have programs like the DSI learning program. There's a program guide and signing up for their birthday club. But this DSI learning program, I'll go ahead and click on that, is something that happens throughout the year in Indianapolis. And it looks like they have 2 different age levels maybe. And you can participate in that if you have a child with Down syndrome. This tells a little bit about them and their team. You can see their board of directors and their staff and all of that on here. And then this is the part that I really loved. This is got information for new parents. So if you are a new parent, you have a child with Down syndrome, and you click on that, it's going to take you to this page that has it's just information for you. It's also in English and Spanish, so that's good to know. And then they have really cool timelines you can have access to here. All of that is available for new parents. For current parents, they have, oh, it doesn't look like there's much on this section of the website, but hold on, let me go back here. There is a Ask the Expert. Let me see if I can get to that. There we go. So here we've got all different kinds of things about things that might happen to your child with Down syndrome. So if you have questions about that, it's there. If we go back, they also have community groups, which there are so many of those. So this one is really cool. This Cuenta Conmigo is one that's for Spanish-speaking parents of children with Down syndrome. DSI Dads is really cool, and they have, I'll click on that, really neat here. They have information for their monthly meetings, and they have different things going on. There's a dadsnational.org. I guess that's another support for parents. And then for educators, if you click on that, it's got some awareness presentations and some other different things that you could use. This adult life packet sounds cool, especially if you're doing transition, if you wanted to get one of those. Health professionals, they have a video, how to make a referral, healthcare information. There's a medical outreach presentation on Down syndrome and some information packets available. And then there's some webinars and other important resources on here too. If you click there, it's got just some other things, especially like links to other national organizations that would apply to parents or advocates of Down syndrome. Okay. And then if you want to get involved, here's how you volunteer or how to donate to the organization. Under their calendar of events, they've got a bunch of different events going on. Here's a golf outing. There's a summer picnic, but there's all different events they have throughout the year, how you can contact them. And then they have newsletters. So you can sign up here to be able to receive the DSI newsletter each time it comes out. So I just thought this was a cool website to share with everyone, and give us your feedback on that. If you have any other neat resources that you'd like to share, just please drop them in the comments. Okay? Thanks.